It's no longer a news that the music industry has changed. You can see how music distributors take down songs and how Spotify removes streams. Here is the big deal. You don't even need streams on Spotify. All you need is a good marketing strategy for you to market your video. If this is your first time of watching video in my channel, kindly subscribe to the channel, like and comment on this video. The best way to make thousands of dollars from your music is for you to use a meme strategy. Millions of artists know this and they are making money every day without having a common streams on Spotify. And most of the time, the song go viral without you knowing the artist who actually sang the song. If you want to tap into this trick, all you need to do is for you to follow this step. Create 10 Instagram accounts, 10 YouTube accounts, 10 TikTok accounts. All you need to be doing on this account is for you to post 5 to 10 times a day. Use a viral content that you find on Instagram and add your song as a background sound to the content. Post it every day in your memes account 5 to 10 times and you will see the magic. All you need is 9 million views for you to actually know that you are winning. If this video is helpful, share with your friends. Don't be stingy. You are welcome.